Good morning everyone. This is a standard 6 science. We are reading the chapter 14 water. We have read we have completed the chapter of water. Now we are going to discuss the questions and answers. So we are doing understanding ideas. Okay, that is present in page number 215. Understanding ideas. Answer the following questions in one word or one sentence. So first question here, what is the sources of heat for evaporation? Okay, the answer is sun. Sun is giving heat, and from the heat of the sun evaporation occurs. Okay, so the first answer of the question is sun. Sun is the primary source of heat. Okay, now we are moving towards the next question. Our next question is, which human activity consumes the largest amount of water? So the human activity which consumes the largest amount of water is agriculture. Okay, you know that India is a country of a farmer. Okay, most of the people here they do farming, and do you know that during the farming agriculture process irrigation occurs, and during irrigation plant need water to grow. They need water to prepare their own food. Okay, so in irrigation a lot of water is consumed. So the answer of the second question is agriculture, irrigation. Okay, now we are proceeding towards the third question, which is, what is the main purpose of rain harvesting? Okay, rain harvesting. Okay, the purpose of rain harvesting is to conservation of water. Okay, every drop of water counts here. It is given here. Every drop of water counts. It means every drop of water is important. Think that if water will not be present on earth, what will happen? Okay, that very difficult to survive if the water is not present on the earth. So we use the water everywhere, every time, from morning to night we uses water. What we are using, the product that is prepared in the industry, okay, that industry also need a lot of water in the preparation of products. Okay, and you are using water since the morning till night. You are using for washing your clothes, for utensils, and for cooking, and for drinking. Everywhere water is utilized. So the third answer question is, what is the main purpose of rain harvesting? So rain harvesting answer is conservation of water. So our fourth question is, which requires more water for the growth, 1 kg of rice or 1 kg of wheat? Obviously water is required for more water is required for the rice. Okay, before the cultivation water is used, the field is filled with the water, okay, so that the plants small seedling of rice can be grown. Okay, wheat water is not required as it is required in the rice. Okay, our next question is fifth one, that is, name one natural source of saline water. Okay, that is sea and ocean. We know that we have two types of water in the world. First one is a saline water, second one is a fresh water, and quantity of saline water is 97.5% and fresh water is 2.5%. So saline water is present in sea and ocean. So the answer of the question number 5th is sea. Okay, and you can take ocean also. Now we are proceeding to ask the next question, that is, from where do lakes, ponds and wells get their water? Okay, so primary source of water is rainwater. All the plants and trees, herbs, shrubs which grow by themselves or which we cultivate, okay, they need water. From where the water is there, water comes from the rainwater, and water which is found in the ground, that is called groundwater, that also comes from where? The rainwater. Okay, and in the below the ground, okay, aquifer is there, that is a huge reservoir of water inside the earth. Okay, when the groundwater seeps inside, what happened? This groundwater collected as a aquifer. So here all the sources of water is the rain water. Now our seventh question of understanding ideas is, what happens if it does not rain in a region for a long time? It causes drought. Okay, you have heard about the drought earlier, that I have stated in the class, that what happens in the drought. Okay, drought is a condition in which the groundwater becomes scarce. Very less amount of groundwater is there. Rainfall is very less. Okay, so the lack of rain causes farm with crop wither. Okay, and due to that, what happened? The cracks in the soil occurs. So if the rain is not raining for a longer time in a particular region, that is called drought. So we have completed the question answer of this chapter. Short answer the following question in one word or in one sentence. Okay, now we are moving towards the following terms, that is droplets. Okay, droplets or drops. Okay, what is this? That is small drops. You can see here the shape is like that. Okay, drop or droplets is a small column of liquid bounded completely or almost completely by a free surfaces. A drop may form when the liquid accumulates at the lower end of the tube or other surfaces boundary, producing a hanging drop called a pendant drop. And drops may also be formed by the condensation of a vapor or by atomization of a larger mass of liquid, that is the droplets. Now we are moving towards the rainwater harvesting. We have earlier rainwater harvesting we have read. It is needed the definition only. So what is rainwater harvesting? Here it is also given. Okay, rainwater harvesting is the accumulation and storage of rainwater for reuse before it reaches the aquifer. Okay, so another definition I am giving here, it is a technology used for collecting and storing rainwater from rooftop, land surfaces and other source. What is the uses? It includes water for the garden, water for livestock, water for irrigation, cleaning of bathrooms as in the first flush, etc. And what are the benefits? It provides sufficient water supply, serves as a vulnerable storm water management tool, and it increases the level of water table. Now we are moving towards the drought. Just now we have seen about the drought, and the definition is as a drought is a period of below average precipitation, means rain in a given region, resulting in a prolonged storage in its water supply, whether the atmospheric, surface water or groundwater. A drought can last for a month or a years, or may be declared after a few as 15 days. It can have a substantial impact on the ecosystem and agriculture of the affected region, harm to the local economies. So these are the definition of the drought, and I would like to give one more answer of that how are flood caused, give their harmful effects. Okay, some of the major causes of the floods are heavy rainfall. Okay, heavy siltation of the river bed reduces the water carrying capacity of the river or the stream. Blockage of the drain lead to flooding of the area. Landslide blocking the flow of a stream. Construction of dam and reservoirs in an area prone to cyclone, storm winds as accompanied by heavy downpour along with the storm surge land leads to flooding. These are the causes of the flood. Okay, what are the adverse effect of the flood? Okay, most important consequences of the flood is the loss of life. I have taught you in the class, and the property like houses, bridges, road get damaged by the gushing water, fast moving water. They have a force, and boat and fishing nets also get damaged. There is a huge loss of life and livestock caused by drowning. Okay, lack of proper drinking water facilities, contamination of water also done. Okay, well down water, pipe water supply leads to outbreak of epidemic like diarrhea, viral infection, malaria and many other infectious disease. Flooding also leads to a large area of agriculture and getting inundated. As a result, there is a huge crop loss. This results in the shortage of food and animal fodder. Due to that, the animals also die and humans also affected from that. Floods may also affect the soil characteristic, and the land may be rendered infertile due to erosion of top layer, or may turn saline if the seawater floods the area. Means humus is being flooded. Okay, now the question has been completed here. Thank you very much.